Our nervous system allows the communication with the environment. The peripheral nervous system receives information from the external environment or from our own body and sends it to the central nervous system, which processes that information, giving a response. Neurons and glial cells are the main cells of the nervous system. Some alterations in these cells, caused by genetic or environmental factors, will affect the capabilities of the individual to correctly function and could end up in neurological or mental disorders. On the one hand, external factors such as stress and drug abuse could affect neurons and glial cells, and together with genetic susceptibility may lead to mental illnesses. On the other hand, internal factors caused by aging or different alterations of the cells may induce neuronal loss and cause neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's or Parkinson's disease, among others that severely affect the capabilities of the individual. Glial cells can normally prevent the process of neuronal loss, but depending on the disease, can even increase it. At the UAB, Institut of Neurociències, we study all these processes and their consequences, and we do it at different levels, with samples from patients, learning from animal and cellular models, and using bioinformatics simulations. The final goal is to find preventive strategies and therapeutic treatments that may stop neurodegeneration or any other neuronal dysfunctions.